What does a happy baby look like? Yeah. Yeah. What does a sad, Tucker, what does it look like? Yeah, when you're sad. Yeah. What does it look like when you're excited? Yeah, that's excited. What does it look like when you're tired? Yeah. What does it sound like when you scream? Yeah. What does a crow say? What does a hummingbird say? What does a lion say? Good job. What does a dog say? Good job. What does a red... That's what it sounds like when you scream. Tucker, I have one more question. What does a red-winged blackbird say? Concrete. What does a red-winged blackbird say? Yeah. Can I ask you another question? Tucker, where are your eyes? Yeah, good job. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Good job. Good job. Where's your hair? Good job. Where's your ear? Good. Where's your belly? Yeah. Where are your toes and your feet? Yeah. Where's your hand? Good job. Where is your tongue and your teeth? Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah.